What's up, guys? Today I figured I'd do a little video and show you how to put layers of clouds in Beam and actually save them. Something nobody else shows you. It's like, some kind of fucking guarded secret. Fucking morons. Press F11 and then you're going to click this little round circle up here with the plus sign. You're going to create an object, and then this little icon here, you're going to click that, and then you're going to click create class, and then you're going to pick the class you want. I want clouds, and then you click create. So you'll notice in spawnable it's highlighted there. We're going to have to take that out later. Click over there on those three dots, and we're going to look in here in the art folder, and we're going to look for skies. You're going to click on that, and then we're going to click on clouds. You can click on any clouds you want. This one I found the best just because the other ones have seams in it. Now you can see there's clouds there. So over here you could change the color of the clouds. You can change the coverage, the wind speed. Just basically make it fit what you're looking for. The blue sky, I was messing around with that. I found a way you can do it, but it doesn't want to seem to save. So if I come across that, I'll make a video. You can change the sun's position in here and everything. You can see how the clouds look now that I changed it. And you could just, mess around with this for each map. The daylight, what the time of day and all, what you're going for. It really depends on a lot of things. You got to take this out of spawnable and make sure can save is checked over on the right at the very bottom, or else when you go to save the file, which is file and then save file and then rebuild the zip, it's not going to be there for you. So you got to make sure of that. But you just click on the color box and you can change the cloud color to what suits you. You can change these numbers here too. Make it less dense of clouds, more dense of clouds. Again, the wind speed, the direction of the clouds. And simply, just change those numbers around. And once you change the numbers around, I'm sure you'll find something that's going to suit your map. Again, the blue sky is something that, for some reason, at least on this map, I cannot get it to save. No matter if I type in sun sky and change it, it just does not stay. I have no idea why. And there's different folders here. You can go in and try and give you an example here where those seams are. And this is a good example here. So if you look, the clouds, they look fine right there. But when we turn the camera, you can see that it has a sharp edge there. You can also make the clouds higher and also lower, which will kind of give a different effect. But you can see there, right there, that looks stupid. So if you're going to make clouds, you got to make sure that they're seamless. I was able to get the moon to show up at night with the stars and everything, but for some reason, again, that wouldn't save. And I figured I'll put this video out because nobody wants to tell you this shit.